What's up guys, Alon is here. We are here in 16461 Northeast 34 Avenue in North Miami Beach. This house is a 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath with a garage, impact windows throughout, cul-de-sac, corner lot, water view, has everything pretty much. The asking price is $2,195,000. Absolutely gorgeous, 4,000 square foot, over 12,000 square foot lot. Join me inside. So when we go into the beautiful house, we can see those nice tiles throughout the dining area with the high ceiling. On the right side there is a room. This room is probably gonna be more as an office or as a maid room. Again, it's a high pitched roof, so the ceiling will go a little bit down. The view outside is absolutely amazing. On the left side here, so we have a half bathroom. So this half bathroom is for this level. This is the living room with a very nice view to the ocean. It's a wide canal, and we'll get there in a little bit. So this is a breakfast area. The kitchen has, as you can see, stools to sit on, bars, and the appliances are a Viking gas stove. As I mentioned, the bottom floor was converted into a bedroom, and there is a bathroom. So the bathroom, of course, will stay. The floors here are wood floors. This right here is a nice extra space that you can put some stuff. Here we have the full bathroom. So this is the makeup area. And the shower. So originally this door was the garage door, and they put here carpets, which again, it's a really cool room. It can be like a man cave or a playroom for kids. And this door is basically a storage right now, and behind it is the garage door, so people can have, keep this as a bedroom, or if they want, just knock this wall out and bring it back as a garage. Now we're gonna go up. So the beautiful thing about here is, first of all, that every other bedroom will have its own bathroom, and it has a balcony to the outside with a view to the water, so that's great. And they did a split, so this whole floor here is gonna be the master bedroom, and here we're gonna have the guest bedroom suites. On the right side we're gonna have a closet. It's a small size closet since we have another closet inside. Here we have AC, so we do have 3 ACs in this house. So this is the second floor AC. Beautiful recessed lights throughout the whole house. It's a great sized bedroom. And check this view. Absolutely beautiful view. Amazing. It's a 180 boat deck option, so you can really go around if you like, but the existing deck is plenty for most large boats. And now we're gonna go into the master bathroom. So we have a jacuzzi, a bidet, a shower, nice tiles throughout. And this is the main closet. So it's good material, it's high quality wood. And now we're gonna go to the third floor. So the third floor, as I mentioned, we're gonna have here 3 bedrooms that all of them has bathrooms and their own balcony to the outside as well. So when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna see this beautiful view. The balcony is connected to the 3 bedrooms. This is the closet for this bedroom and the bathroom. The bathroom is a very good size for a guest bedroom. They did a nice sitting area here with an extra TV. This is the second guest bedroom with again a very nice beautiful view to the outside. All the rooms are in good size. You don't feel that any of them are like small. So this is the closet. This closet is inside the bathroom. Which is again a very good size for a guest suite. On the left side, we're gonna have behind the closet the third AC and the washer and dryer. So this is gonna be the laundry room. And the third bedroom on the third floor with again a gorgeous view. And its own bathroom. The closet here is also gonna be pretty good size for a guest closet. This is the shower. That's the inside of the house, guys. Now we're gonna go outside to see the gorgeous view by the pool. So we're gonna step now outside. This is a wood deck. And again, this corner lot, it's very hard to find now in this area. It is raised up, so as you can see, the grass here is pitched. So if the water will rise, the house will not be flooded here. And this is absolutely the best feature in the house, the lot. The lot is about 12,600 square foot lot. So it's going around from here to the wide ocean. It's gonna be about a few minutes in the boat, probably about 15-20 minutes, and you're gonna be in the wide ocean. So yeah guys, this is the tour for the house, and I hope you enjoyed it.